Good afternoon and welcome to the Comau stand. Here you can see we're showcasing a number of our products. We've got robotics, we have our AGV system over here, and we have a whole suite of virtual reality as well that we're demonstrating. If you walk to the end of the corridor today, we have our basketball cell, which is there for a bit of fun. But it demonstrates the programming, it demonstrates how good we are at robotics and how we sell different types of applications to our customers. We're very strong on Industry 4.0. Comau is probably at the forefront. We have integrated a complete factory with Industry 4.0. Everything is digitally readout. We have everything from the robotics down to the tip dressers. Everything can be on the digital readout at the line side, and it can also be received in the maintenance office areas as well. So it's complete connectivity of all of our instruments, all of our equipment, our robotics, and all of the equipment that we integrate for our customers. It's something that we pride ourselves in Comau, and it's something that we've been doing for a number of years now. There's not anybody in the marketplace that is at the forefront of Industry 4.0 as Comau is. It's something that we pride ourselves on, and it's something that we find that we are very, very strong at because of all of our standard products. And we're looking to actually move that now into other areas, into general industries. We're looking to take it into pharmaceuticals and anywhere that we can help integrate and also help smaller companies to grow, smaller companies to work with our products and enable them to actually grow their businesses. I think there's still a long way to go. I'm out on the road a fair amount, and I look at a number of businesses, a lot of general industry, as well as we've been in automotive for quite some time now. However, what we can offer is so much more than just general integrating robotics and general integrating of equipment. We can actually then give that full package, which will give you the whole holistic solution and enable companies to increase their throughput, reduce downtime, and just embrace Industry 4.0.